district law. And Karr will have base trouble next week. If only Cross wins, it will be a three-way tie for the district lead. 5 teams vying for at least a share of the District 9 title. Holy Cross will get the opening kickoff. And that kick will go into first down and 10. Johnson pass outside, incomplete. Pass outside to get to number 2, Rodney Dennis. Third down 11 from their own 19. On second down. Delayed carry back, Benny White. Get the gear to 10. 39, Johnson. The line of scrimmage. Frozen real ball in the middle, complete. Throw it into a crowd. Number 17, Oliver Mitchell comes down with it. No gain on the line 10. And now sliding complete to number 2, Young. Tosses it out of bounds, incomplete. Providing the... And Canatella with the push punt. Hands off on first down and 10. And he sees some daylight to the left side of the field, number 12 on the Karr. Down and 8. On the keeper. And Kobe Young made a routine of a difficult kick. Going to be a loss on the play. We do have a flag. And that's a good tough run there by number 23, Kate Ando. Hand off again. He'll go outside. Big tackle on the outside by the Cougars. Number 5, Edna Brown. In the backfield, in the spin move, as he gets near the time. deflects it past the 25. And they beat at the quarterback. Big play by pass outside to Martin. And Martin will get near the quick pass on first down. Francis on the reception, trying to run defenders over. He'll be near the first down. First down. Running back, setting up his blockers. Number 25 on the carry. Incomplete. And overtime. Touchdown! Finding daylight is what he does. Dejon Smith for the score. And the kick by Jaden Hunter is good. And off up the middle on first down. Pass outside. Extra point by Hunter. Teller takes a big hit as he on the run. Pass outside complete. Penalty flag down. Outside on first and 15. Kobe Young takes it at the 45. Kobe Young. On the QB keeper out of bounds. Reception. Pass outside to Finn Martin, complete. And 10 from the Karr 39. Canatella back to pass. Fires it to the left side of the field. Catch is good by Martin. And handoff on first down. Canatella can't find his receiver downfield. He'll go down.
Johnson on the QB keeper. Francis on the reception, breaks a tackle, breaks two, how about three, how about four, and finally out of bounds.
got to go back to practice. Got to go back to practice again and again.
And I know that there's a lot of complimentary football, but what about the play of your quarterback, John Johnson, getting 4 touchdowns, 3 passes, and 1 run against that crazy play?
Yep, you're only as good as your last game. So tonight you get to celebrate this one, and then next week you got to come out and execute against the rubber team. You know, which is the standard for the quarterback position. You know, we have to keep taking what the defense gives us, and we have to keep being able to throw the ball downfield when people playing us in